Hello everyone. Today, we have a heartwarming story about kindness and responsibility. But before we begin, let's quickly understand the present indefinite tense. This tense is used for habits, general truths, and regular actions. For example, Sam plays football every day, or the kitten drinks milk. Notice how we use the base form of the verb. Now, let's enjoy the story of Sam and the lost kitten, where we see how small acts of kindness make a big difference. One sunny afternoon, Sam plays in his backyard. He jumps, runs, and laughs as he kicks a small ball. Suddenly, he hears a soft meowing sound. He looks around and sees a tiny kitten under a bush. The kitten looks weak and hungry. Its fur is dirty, and its eyes are full of sadness. Sam kneels down and gently picks up the kitten. "Oh, you are so small and alone," he says softly. He pats its head, and the kitten purrs. Sam feels happy but also worried. "You must be hungry," he whispers. Sam runs inside his house. Sam's father, Mr. Parker, sits on the sofa, reading a newspaper. "Dad, I find a lost kitten. It looks very hungry. Can we give it some food?" Sam asks excitedly. Sam's father looks up and smiles. "That is kind of you, Sam. Let's give it some milk," he says. Sam brings a small bowl of milk and places it in front of the kitten. The kitten drinks quickly, licking the bowl clean. Sam watches with joy. "You are so hungry," he says with a giggle. After drinking, the kitten tries to stand, but it wobbles. "Dad, it is still weak. Can we keep it?" Sam asks. Sam's father thinks for a moment. "Sam, maybe this kitten belongs to someone. We should try to find its owner first," he explains. Sam nods. He carefully picks up the kitten and walks around the neighborhood. He asks his neighbors, "Have you seen this kitten before?" But no one knows where it comes from. Sam returns home, feeling a little sad. "What if it has no home?" he asks. Sam's father pats his head. "Then we will give it a new home," he says kindly. Sam smiles. "I will take care of it. I will love it," he promises. From that day, Sam becomes the kitten's best friend. He names it Whiskers. He feeds it, plays with it, and keeps it safe. Whiskers grows healthy and strong. One day, Sam's father says, "Sam, you show kindness and responsibility. I am proud of you." Sam hugs Whiskers and replies, "Helping others makes me happy." Moral of the story: kindness and care bring happiness to everyone. To feel the warmth of this story, let's take a look at some important words from the story, along with their meanings, to help you connect with the little boy's kindness and the kitten's journey. Cheerful means feeling happy and full of joy. Curious describes someone who wants to learn or know more. Stray refers to something or someone lost or without a home. Messy means untidy or not clean. Wobbles describes moving unsteadily from side to side. Excitedly means in a joyful and enthusiastic way. Weak refers to lacking strength or energy. Giggle is a light, happy laugh. Promise is a firm commitment to do something. Energy refers to strength and enthusiasm to take action. Proud means feeling happy and satisfied with an achievement. Responsibility is the duty to take care of someone or something. Trust means believing that someone or something is safe and reliable. Compassionate describes someone who shows kindness and care for others. Encourage means to give support, confidence, or hope to someone. And that's the story of Sam and Whiskers. Through this story, we learn that kindness and care bring happiness to everyone. Sam not only helps a lost kitten but also learns the joy of responsibility. His father guides him, and together, they give Whiskers a new home. Remember, Small acts of kindness can make a big difference in someone's life. Keep helping others and spreading love. See you next time with another wonderful story.